Truly wireless earphones are one of the most popular categories, and Fastrack has launched two new earphones into the market, the Reflex Tunes FT3 and the Reflex Tunes FT4. Now, both of these earphones are available at this moment, and you can get the FT3s for a price of 2695 Indian rupees and the FT4s for a price of 4495 Indian rupees. In the box of the FT3, you will get the earphones themselves, some additional ear tips, documentation, along with a USB Type-C charging cable. The FT4 also have a similar type of packaging, and both these earphones are available in a bunch of colors. Today we have the rich green and the blush gold for you guys to check out. The FT3 are more targeted towards gaming, and you do have a face-like case design with glowing eyes, so that looks super cool. And if you do have them connected to a device and you leave them on the desk, you do get a breathing lights effect from the eyes of the case that I really like. Overall, aesthetic-wise and size-wise, the form factor is really compact and they will fit into your jeans pocket without any issues. They also boast a 24-hour battery life, and that is with the earphones and the case combined. You also get an IPX6 water and sweat resistance on the FT3s, which is absolutely fantastic. And because these earphones are targeted towards gaming, you also do get a dedicated game mode on these as well. They do have built-in Bluetooth 5, and they are easy to connect and pair quite easily, and you don't need any app or anything to control the earphones. Everything is done via the touch controls on the earphones themselves, and an extensive guide is available in the user manual that is included in the box. The sound profile on these is tuned more towards the mids and the highs. You do have a good amount of bass in there as well, but because of the gaming mode and the low latency, it's more focused towards voice and surrounding sounds. And if you do have an equalizer on your smartphone, you can get a more custom sound from the FT3 as well. On the flip side, the FT4 are designed less for gaming, even though you can game on them, and they're designed more for lifestyle usage, so listening to music, watching videos, or anything else, multimedia consumption on these earphones. They're also available in three colors, a black, a white, as well as a pink. All three of these have a matte finish. The earphones are really comfortable in the ear, and they do come with replaceable ear tips and do charge via USB Type-C as well. These earphones also have an IPX4 water resistance rating and overall are really comfortable in the ear. The sound profile on these provides a fuller sound and a richer bass, and they feel really comfortable in the ear for extended periods of time. Just like the FT3s, you do not need an app to figure out the controls on this. They're actually quite easy, and you can increase, decrease the volume, switch between different songs, and pause, play, or answer calls, and also call up the assistant on your device, whether on Android or on iOS. The FT4s also get Bluetooth 5.1 and faster charging, so you can charge the earphones with the case in 1.5 hours. The FT3 take 3 hours to fully charge. Like I said, both of these have USB Type-C. Both earphones also do have electronic noise cancellation, so whether you want a more game-oriented gaming mode option with low latency, you can pick the FT3s. Whether you want a nicer, fuller sound for more in-depth music listening, you can pick the FT4. Both of these earphones also have the ability to be used as a monopod, so you can use a single earbud in your ear as a Bluetooth headset instead of using both of them for music. So if you just want to do calls, both of these earphones do support that. If you're interested in checking out the FT3 or the FT4, we'll have links in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're not already a part of Team iGyaan. I'll see you guys in the next one.